Here are 5 tricks for Premiere Pro. But before we start, I want to let you know that for Christmas, I have a gift for you. So you have to wait until the end of the video for that gift, okay? So now, let's start with the 5 tricks.
Let's not forget, no.
Have you ever tried to fit a video next to each other in the timeline, but one is going too far to the side or too close to the other side? They don't match, but you don't understand why is this happening. And then you see that the magnet is not selected here. But why if you hadn't pressed it or touched it? Well, sometimes it happens that you accidentally press the letter S on your keyboard. And well, Premiere Pro has that letter by default to select and deselect the magnet. So pressing the letter S is gonna solve the problem. But if you don't want that shortcut to remain, go to Edit, below it says Shortcuts, and there you select the S. And then, of course, you delete it, right? Simple. It's fixed. Okay, now let's talk about match cuts, or those cuts that fit perfectly and are so cool to look at. For example, here a ball spinning, and we match it to the earth spinning. We use the guides. We click here on the ruler, and if you don't see it, then you go here where you have the plus sign and add it here. Now we pull the guidelines from the side. We have to fit them to the ball to position ourselves. Now we go to the rotating earth, and then we adjust the size and so on. And it looks like this. The guides are amazing. I use them in everything. For example, in a transition, you can locate the horizon and fit the horizon to the eyes of the character of your video, or whatever you want to do, but makes everything look much better. Okay, this is an easy one that I think I mentioned it before, but it's really practical and helps a lot. You have your cool title, but you want to center it. You can of course use the guidelines as well. But look how easy it is if you select the title and pull it pressing Ctrl on PC or Command in Mac. You will see this imaginary line, and it's gonna guide you where the center is. At the end, you adjust the title and release. Simple and easy. Now, has it ever happened to you that you have a video on the timeline and for some reason you want to find it in its folder in the project window, but you can find it? Maybe you have a lot of folders, I don't know. Well, you go to the video, right click and look below, Reveal in Project, and there you have it. Simple. Okay, here it comes another one that is very easy. Has it ever happened to you that you cut the video, not delete it, in the timeline you just cut it, but then you did many things after that? So basically, if you want to recover the whole video, you don't want to press Ctrl Z because it's not gonna help. What you do, you just go to the middle where you did the cut, select that part, and then click delete, and voila, it's fixed. That's it, you don't need to do anything else. These are little tricks that normally you don't learn in courses, so they are amazing and help a lot. If you knew any of these tricks, please let me know in the comments, and if you have new tricks to share, please share them in the comments. This is like a community, let's help each other. Now the time came. I said I have a present for you. I said I have a gift for you for Christmas, right? In the previous videos, I was mentioning that I was going to release a new course, and I was gonna give this course for free for the first 10 people that comment in those videos. Well, I did it. People are happy. They had it for free. Now it's Christmas and I feel like I want to give it to you for free. So I will post the link in the description. Whoever is watching this video in the day I posted it, you have 3 days from now to use this link. It's gonna be for free. Just use the link. Just use it for free, okay? Now, if the time passed and you click it, I don't have it for free, still, it's gonna be now with the crazy discount for the next, after the 3 days, you know, it's gonna be with a crazy discount. So take advantage of it. Right now you have 3 days, just click in the link and the course is completely free for you. And then review it, comment, write me here on YouTube as well. What do you think about the course? Did you like it? You didn't like it? What is that I can add? And I will fix it, I will help you. This course, as soon as you click in the link and you get it, it's gonna be for life, and I keep improving it. So Merry Christmas. Until next week.